Welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I present the preparation of crème brulee. The mise en place. The preparation of the water bath. All the goodies except for the cream in the bowl. Whisk until frothy. Heating of the heavy cream. Heating up the water for the double boiler. The cooking of all the ingredients. Ready to go in the oven. Here's the goodies in the oven. Straight out of the hot box. Ready to go into the cold box. The crème brulees will be in the cold box for several hours. Here are two getting ready to be bruleed. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun